Hello and welcome to Complete SQL Course 2025. In this course, I will teach you about SQL and using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So, about me, like I'm Yogesh and I'm working with MNC as a senior quality analyst. I have good exposure on good projects. So, and I used SQL also in the company in my organization. SQL is very important these days because it is used to manipulate the data and it is also used in data science and for data analytics, and it is used in many industries so that they can manipulate the data, and like industries like healthcare, marketing, finance. Okay, so I also teach students on Udemy, and my courses are related to software testing, WordPress, developer, extra. Now I am excited to create this course to share my knowledge with you for your better career. And I have designed this course to make you expert in SQL, and there is no coding experience required. After the completion of this course, you can add SQL skills in your CV. I hope you will learn. I will try my best to make this course as easy so that you will be able to learn the SQL skills, and that will be helpful for your career, and you can achieve your goals by learning SQL skills. Okay, so check out the full curriculum overview in my next video. Thank you.